Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the TenX, Vechain and the Verge website. So let's start off with the TenX. TenX is built on the Commit network, the payments platform that could bring us a world with no financial transaction fees. Make traveling simple with TenX. Now Vechain. Vechain is the world's leading blockchain platform offering blockchain as a service to enterprises for products and information. The Verge. Verge is a modal cryptocurrency that is designed to enable people with different types of mining devices to have equal access to earning coins. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Weirdest Coins website to find more information about the Bitcoin.